How to see when you started following someone on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to see when you started following someone on Instagram, just follow these simple steps. Step 1 is to open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account by entering your credentials. Now you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here on your profile, you have three options: post, followers, and following. Go ahead and tap on the following option. A list of all the people that you follow will appear here. Go ahead and select any one of them. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. From these options, select See Shared Activity option. Here you have the option of You Followed, and you can see exactly when you started following that person on Instagram. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.